have jobs, they have opportunities, they know their rights, they have the ability to defend themselves, support their families, take care of their health, and be an integral, productive part of the human race. Now, to most people out there, this sounds like normal life, right? We've been enjoying these privileges for hundreds of years. But in many parts of the world, what we take for granted does not exist. In many places, women of all ages, please listen to me. Women of all ages are risking their lives to make sure that other girls are given a chance to learn to read and write. They get shot for writing blogs. They have acid thrown in their faces for wanting to go to school. They are assassinated for being school teachers. I do not accept this. And neither should you. Now, there are some exceptionally brave warriors who are out there fighting this injustice, and the world needs to know who they are. I want to start out by introducing two of them to you. They have both given a voice to the young women of Pakistan. The first is Humaira Bachal. She's 25 years old. She started teaching when she was 15 in a 3-room makeshift school. She now teaches over 1,200 students in the same room. I think she needs a bigger school, don't you? The second brave warrior is Sharmeen Obey Chinoy. She is a journalist and a filmmaker. She too has been risking her life to tell stories that need to be told. She makes films that would shock and dismay, enlighten and inspire. Charmeen has made a film about Humaira and the work she is doing. If you don't think that one person can make a difference in this world, then you need to watch this film. Karachi, a city of 20 million people, is marred by violence and extremism.